Hey guys, it's Bodie with iptvwire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the View Live TV player on any Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Android TV device. But before diving in, a very important note. Since the View Live TV player is available inside the Google Play Store with over 500,000 downloads and 2.3K reviews, I am 100% confident that this application is legal and verified to install and use on our devices. So now let's dive in and install the View Live TV player on my Amazon Fire Stick. Alright, so I just plugged in my second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but this process for installing the View Live TV player will work on any variation of the Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV device. Now, since the View Live TV player is not available inside the Amazon App Store, we must sideload this application on our device using the Downloader app. So to do that, simply hover over Find, click Search, and I'm going to type in Downloader. And you'll see Downloader already comes up at the bottom here before I finish typing. So click Downloader, click the orange icon under Apps and Games for Downloader, and then give it a few seconds here. And then once you're on this screen, go ahead and click Download. And then just wait a few seconds for Downloader to install on your Fire Stick. Alright, after the Downloader app has been installed, click the Home button as there are a few settings that I need to change here before launching. So I'm going to scroll over the settings icon on the far right, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click About, and then click Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever this says here for the device that you're using until you see the following message: no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click the back button, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, and then you should see the Downloader app here. So go ahead and click that to turn it on. So we have now turned on the ability for Downloader to install unknown apps on our Fire Stick. So now I'm going to hit the Home button on my device, and then I'm going to scroll down, and you should see Downloader under Recently Used Apps. Go ahead and click that to launch it. Then click Allow, click OK, and you have now installed the Downloader app on your Fire Stick. So after installing the Downloader app, simply click the search box and I'm going to enter the following code: 298344. Double check that for accuracy and then click Go. And then after you do that, you're going to wait a few seconds while you are being redirected to the iptv Wire Quick Links page. All right, once you're on our Quick Links page, there's a few things that we need to do here first. So number one, I would suggest Xing out of these boxes that pop up on the bottom. So click the X there. You can X out of this one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then once you've done that, on the very top right, if you hover over this button here with the three lines, click that, you will see an option that says Add Current Page to Favorites. I'm going to click that, scroll down and click Save. And now I have saved the Quick Links page to my favorites within Downloader. So to install the View Live TV player, simply scroll down under the Live TV player category, and you will see an option here that says View Live TV player. Go ahead and click that to launch it. And then once you do that, it's going to redirect you to the official source for this live TV player. If for whatever reason the installation does not launch, go ahead and scroll down and click this download icon here on the right. And then once you do that, that should prompt the installation. So give it a few seconds for the app to download. And you'll see here now it's going to prompt me to install. I'm going to click Install. Wait a few more seconds for the View Live TV player to install. All right, after the View Live TV player has been installed, I'm going to click Done as there's a few things I need to do prior to launching. I'm going to click Delete again. That just got rid of the installation files within Downloader. So now I'm going to click the Home button on my remote, and I'm going to scroll over and click this icon here next to the settings icon. So click that, and that'll launch your apps and channels. Now, if I scroll down, you will see View Live TV player right here. I'm going to click the Options button on my remote with the three lines, click Move, and I'm going to move that towards the front of my apps list. So click OK on your remote to drop it. Now I'm going to click the Home button on my remote, and you will see the View Live TV player right here towards the front of my apps list. But guys, before I launch this app, I first want to make sure that I am connected to a reliable VPN. Now, Surfshark VPN is our #1 rated VPN at IPTV Wire. And guys, I personally just do not trust these third-party app developers or third-party apps in general, and would always make sure that I'm connected to a VPN prior to using any third-party apps like this one. Now, you can find a special discount link for Surfshark VPN below this video that will not only get you the best discount, but that does help support myself and this channel. So now that I'm connected to Surfshark, I'm going to hit the home button on my remote, and now I'm going to launch the View Live TV player. So go ahead and click allow when you launch it for the first time. And then you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's going to provide the different login methods here. So we have M3U URL, Extreme Codes API, connect with Mac ID, and then also browse your playlist. So the two most popular by far are M3U URL and Extreme Codes API. Now, an important note here is that #1, I'm not going to show how to integrate a service in this example. And #2, you need to refer to your service provider, typically an intro email or just information on your website or portal that has information about an M3U or Extreme Codes API. Now, if you were going to integrate an M3U, all you would do is click enter M3U URL. You would give this whatever name you want. You would add that M3U URL right here, and you would click add user. The same process for Extreme Codes API. You'd give it a name, username, password, and whatever that port URL is that your service provider has, and you would click add user. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. That is how you install the View Live TV player on any Amazon Firestick, Fire TV, or Android TV device. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Also, guys, be sure to leave me a comment below. I do enjoy going through all of your comments, and it does help me for ideas for future videos. So again, this is Bodie, and I hope you all have a great day.